Number 1.
1997 Ford F-150, price $9,700, clean and well-maintained standard cab short bed pickup with only 58,000 original miles. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable V6 gasoline engine, the truck delivers a smooth driving experience and runs excellent overall. It features a classic white exterior matched with a well-kept gray interior that has been preserved nicely over the years. This F-150 comes loaded with desirable factory features including power windows, power door locks, and ice-cold air conditioning. The truck also sits on a brand new set of tires, making it ready for daily driving or weekend cruising. The interior remains in very good condition with a clean appearance throughout, while the paint still shines nicely and presents well for its age. Overall, this low-mileage F-150 is a solid example of a classic Ford pickup that has clearly been cared for properly.
Number 2.
1990 Ford F250, price $10,000, with only 99,000 original miles. Powered by the dependable 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this gasoline-powered truck delivers strong performance and a smooth driving experience. It features a clean gray interior and comes equipped with fully functional four-wheel drive with manually locking hubs, making it ready for both daily driving and weekend adventures. This is a super clean two-owner truck that has clearly been well maintained over the years. The classic red and white two-tone exterior gives it an iconic vintage Ford look, while the Lariat trim package adds comfort features such as power windows and upgraded interior touches. Additional upgrades include aftermarket wheels, Toyo all-terrain tires, a custom exhaust with a 3-inch tip, a durable bedliner, and an alarm system.
Number 3.
1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000. The truck is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine with an automatic transmission and has 165,000 miles. Finished in white with a blue interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been well maintained and is completely rust-free. Originally used as a school district work truck, it was later owned as a daily driver before the current owner purchased it a little over a year ago. The truck runs, shifts, and stops smoothly with no water or fluid leaks. Features include dual batteries, power windows, power mirrors, power seats, slotted-in drilled front rotors, newer Falcon Wild Peak tires on American racing wheels, Bluetooth head unit, upgraded speakers, and sound deadening throughout the cab. Recent maintenance includes a resealed transfer case, new windshield, rear brake light, alternator, and serpentine belt.
Number 4.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $6,900, equipped with a strong 4.0L V6 engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a classic and dependable driving experience. With 174,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered pickup features a blue exterior combined with a tan interior that gives it a clean and timeless look. The truck starts right up, runs and drives well, and has been serving as a reliable daily driver. Over time, several important maintenance items and upgrades have been completed to keep it in good driving condition. Recent work includes a brand new clutch slave cylinder, a full front-end rebuild with new ball joints, tie rod ends, inner control arms, and fresh brakes. According to the owner, the truck has been dependable for everyday use, but it is no longer needed after purchasing a larger truck. Overall, this Ranger would make a solid daily driver, work truck, or affordable older pickup for someone looking for a reliable manual transmission Ford.
Clean title in hand. Number 5.
1999 Ford F-150, price $7,495, comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, and is powered by a dependable gasoline-fed 4.6L V8 engine. With only 107,050 original miles, this low-mileage pickup is a rare find for its age and has been well maintained by just 2 owners with no accident history. This F-150 also features a desirable long bed configuration, making it ideal for hauling equipment, materials, or large loads, while the factory tow package adds extra capability for towing trailers, boats, or work gear. Known for its durability and reliability, the truck is ready to handle daily driving, work duties, or weekend projects with ease. It comes with a clean title and offers the perfect combination of practicality, power, and hard-to-find low mileage.
Number 6.
1993 Ford F250, price $8,000, equipped with a powerful 7.5L V8 gasoline engine backed by an automatic transmission and a reliable 4x4 drivetrain. With 216,000 miles on the odometer, the truck is reported to run and drive great, showing that it has been consistently maintained throughout the years. It comes finished in a gold exterior paired with a tan interior. The truck has received tons of new suspension parts, helping improve both ride quality and overall drivability. The interior remains in impressively well-kept condition for its age, with a clean appearance that reflects careful ownership. Like most older trucks, it does show some cosmetic wear, including a few dings, dents, and older paint imperfections, but nothing that takes away from its solid character and dependable performance.
Number 7.
1989 Ford F-150, price $8,999, finished in black with a gray interior and is powered by the factory 4.9L inline-6 engine, rated at 145 horsepower and 265 lb-ft of torque, paired with a manual transmission. Showing just over 83,000 original miles, this truck has averaged less than 3,000 miles per year and remains in excellent overall condition with a clean Carfax history report. Running on gasoline, it delivers an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. Factory standard equipment for the 1989 F-150 included power steering, front disc brakes, manual windows and locks, cloth bench seating, AM/FM radio, a durable ladder-type frame, leaf spring rear suspension, and tow prep hardware. The combination of the reliable 4.9L i6 engine and manual gearbox makes this truck a solid example of a classic Ford pickup known for durability and dependable performance.
Number 8.
2000 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,500. The truck comes with 106,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a brown exterior paired with a gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline-fed 5.2L 318 Magnum V8 engine with 4x4 capability. It is equipped with K02 tires and has recently received new spark plugs, plug wires, rotors, brake pads, and a distributor cap within the last 5,000 miles. The truck also features a heavy-duty bedliner for added durability. The vehicle has the typical dashboard issues common for this generation, although a replacement dash cover has already been installed.
There is also a small dent on the rear driver's side.
Overall, the truck has been well maintained and comes with a clean Oregon title in the owner's name.
Number 9.
1995 GMC Sonoma, price $5,900. This truck comes with 102,000 original miles and is powered by a strong 4.3 TBI Vortec V6 paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission and a newer clutch. Finished in white with a gray interior, this rare 2WD V6 manual combination runs on gasoline and is becoming harder to find in this condition. The truck has a clean Oregon title and is equipped with a Remco rear driveline disconnect for flat towing. Recent maintenance includes a new AC compressor and dryer, providing ice-cold air conditioning, along with a recently replaced heater core. It also sits on almost new tires, making it a solid and reliable classic compact pickup ready for daily driving or weekend cruising.
Number 10.
1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,650. This truck is powered by a reliable V8 Vortec engine that runs and drives great, paired with an automatic transmission and gasoline fuel system. The truck currently has 223,000 miles and has been well cared for over the years. It features a gold exterior with nice paint that still shines well, along with a clean black interior that has been kept in impressive condition for its age. The truck also comes with brand new tires and an upgraded Pioneer radio system, adding both comfort and convenience.
Inside and out, the vehicle presents very clean and shows signs of proper maintenance.
Overall, this Silverado is a solid running classic pickup with a clean title in hand and plenty of life left in it.